Hey, yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. It's Alex with Five Nights of Freedom. I have to apologize that I haven't been online lately, but a few things happened and I couldn't. So, really apologize about that. So, hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend so far. And I don't know if I sound a little bit, my voice is changing due to the weather. So, what I want to bring here today it's about IREN. Now, one of my dear members, and I'm really glad actually that they suggested me about that. They asked me about my opinion. It's about IREN. What is IREN and what they are doing? So I'm going to provide a few news. It's basically a request from the member, and I want to say really thank you to Jerry and Elba for their support and their unimaginable actually support. Like they support me a lot on the Discord. You have seen comments on the lives or comments on the videos in generally. So I really sound weird. I don't know why. Right, so let me bring you a little bit the main screen where our guy is opening the doors towards the news and the success and the growth and everything, right? So as you can see, and let me bring it a little bit closer, that will do. We're going to discuss about IREN, right? But before that, I want to open a new one and bring you a little bit a few things. So okay, this is about Robinhood. You could earn 4% from on cash when you have money aside. I don't, and I had to withdraw $200 to put them into my eToro account. So what I'm going to do is start transferring money into my eToro for the silver that I have talked about a little bit in the past on the videos. So let me know if you have a fantastic weekend so far. What did you do, or what are your plans to do? Write down on the comments down below and let me know. For me, it's a little bit tiring weekend. I'm going back to making the videos and everything because I feel a little bit better right now. So yeah, now as you will see, IREN Limited, right? You will see on the day it was up 0.04% after hours, but during the market it was only up by 0.01%. Now on the week it was 31.7% up. On the month it is up by 85.98%, right? I didn't know about this company or what they're doing, and Jerry and Elba requested my opinion, and I'm going to do a little bit of a technical analysis. So if anyone wants to pay a little bit attention on that or is interested on that, that's how we do it, guys. You can request me something and I will search about it, bring you some news that I believe they are valid and valuable, and I'm going to do the technical analysis with the best knowledge that I have, and or as good as I can, right? I'm never gonna be like 100% this is gonna happen. No one can predict the market, and I've said it before. But I love what I do. I love about the charts. I love it, and hopefully this can be actually my job, because I would love to spend as much time as I can towards this and bring news, going live, bring videos, doing the technical analysis, see charts, uh, like have communication with you guys. It's really awesome, and I could spend a lot of hours, right? So right now I have to keep my normal job, and even in the future I would like to have like a part-time job or anything like that, so I can be uh, out there. Or if this happens as my uh, normal job, then I will love it and I will spend more than 12 hours every single day on it. So we can see the steady growth between the month, the week, and the day. Now let's see a little bit the 3 months. It's plus 244.96% up, right? So whoever has invested in that, guys, honestly, thumbs up. Really good investment 3 months ago, because it was only like in June, actually, 17th of June, it was like $9.77. That's a massive profit, right? Now let's see a little bit year to date. Year to date is plus, it's up actually 229.57%. That's brilliant. The more I look at it, that's awesome, honestly. And whoever has invested in it in April when everything was going down and then we started going up, that's massive profits, guys. Congratulations to whoever has invested on it. And I like to see a little bit the 5 years. The 5 years we see it began at $28, then it dropped. Then we had a little bit up and down, and then massively 2025 was the year that this stock exploded. So, what do they do, right? Let's read a little bit. I like to start actually that the CEO is Daniel Roberts, and it was founded in 2018, Sydney, New South Wales. That's kudos to them, really, honestly. And I love Australia. Whoever is from Australia, I would like to hear more about it because that's one destination that I'm planning to have and maybe start a life over there because I love the country. I've got much respect for the country, and from what I've heard, I only have heard like the best. And the same goes about USA as well. Like I've got I've got a chance, an opportunity to go to USA. Um, And wherever I go, I've got much respect for the country that they're hosting me, because even now in UK, I'm grateful about the house that I have, like the apartment, the job, the opportunities, everything that this country has provided me. I'm really grateful. And whoever is in UK, guys, just thumbs up, like the video so I can know. And I can't say a lot of things about it here. Like I'm grateful and I'm thankful for all the opportunities, and I have to, right? Because going to another country and not yours, you respect that country 10 times more than your country. At least that's me, right? So I'm doing my best here, and that's a little bit rambling around. Apologies. So the employees are 457. Market cap 9.24 billions. Price earning ratio, or you might hear it as PER, is a positive 83.81. They don't have a dividend yield. The high today it was $33.99. The low today it was $33.90, and the open price it was $33.21. Now the average volume is 39.09 million, and the volume in general is 21.07 million. The 52-week high it was $34.08, and the 52-week low it was $5.13. Right? That's that. With that, we explain everything financially. And now let's see what they are doing. So IREN Ltd is a vertically integrated data center business powering the future of Bitcoin. Oh, okay. AI and beyond with renewable energy. I think that sounds great. Let me know what you think so far. It is strategically located in renewable rich fiber connected regions across the US and Canada. IREN's large scale grid connected facilities are purpose built for the next generation of power-dense computing applications. The company was founded by Daniel Roberts and William Roberts on November 6, 2018. Now, I believe William Roberts possibly is a relative, maybe a brother, and is headquartered in Sydney, Australia. The listed name for IREN is IREN Limited Ordinary Shares. And I think that's well promising, right? And we'll talk about it a little bit now here. So I want to point out a little bit about everyone has heard the news. I can't really say a lot about it, but there is a lot of frustration out there, and I want to just say we all have friends around the world, right? And myself, I decided to come legally into UK, and they have provided me a house which I'm paying. They provided me a job which I'm working hard as I can, and I pay my tax, I pay everything, right? So I've got loads of respect about UK. Do not let the frustration affect out there what is going on, right? Treat people equally. Treat people like you want to be treated. I personally have friends in USA, in Australia, in Sweden, around Europe, and actually not. Yeah, I would say friends, people I know, right? And I get the frustration about whoever doesn't respect your country, and you've got all the right to be frustrated and stuff, but do not let it affect. Do not put everyone in the same bag, because I've been there in Greece while I was growing up, and I have seen a lot of things, and it is not good to put everyone into the same bag. That's what I can say, guys, through this video. So my golden rule is always treat others how I want to be treated, and I treat everyone with kindness, with respect, and there are bad people and there are good people out there, unfortunately. So it's what can we do to make the world better, and hopefully from here through this channel we can do massive good out there. And I've mentioned that it's in my plans when I go to phase 2 or 3. I'm going to start charities, and I'm going to bring that plan by the time in the near future. So IREN operates a 50 EH's Bitcoin mining fleet with 810 MW of data center capacity and 501 million for revenue for the year 2025. And the company secured a 2.9 GW contracted renewable power capacity. I believe that's gigawatt, and providing a structural growth advantage across mining and AI cloud operations. AI expansion includes a 10.9 thousand NVIDIA GPUs with potential 60,000 Blackwell GPUs, targeting 200 up to 250 million annualized AI cloud revenue. For the year 2025, profitability improved to 86.9 million net income and 278.2 million EBITDA. I'm not sure what that means, but transitioning from the prior year's net loss. I will search about that, and I will try to inform guys. Forward valuation shows 20.1 times for the year 2026 PE and 13.1 times for the year 27 PE, reflecting accelerating EPS growth and scalability. Now, IREN Limited is rapidly shifting from a renewable powered low cost Bitcoin BTC to USD mining firm to an AI cloud infrastructure rival. With both a 50 EH's Bitcoin business that has 810 MW of operating capacity and then accelerating NVIDIA GPU-based AI cloud business powered by a 10.9K GPUs and 3 GW of contracted renewable energy, it offers profitability and long-term scalability. Further down, vertical integration, liquid cooling advances, and NVIDIA preferred partner status further. Why did I read that like that? And NVIDIA preferred partner status further secured its competitive position. Though the stock has risen 90% since the lows of August and could face near-term corrections, the structural growth trajectory into AI and cloud infrastructure supports a strong bullish argument. Okay. For the year 2025 was a breakout year for IREN with 501 million in revenue. That's massive. Then that's congratulations to the company. Plus 168% year over year. 86.9 million in net income from a loss for the year 2024 and 278.2 million in EBITDA. You know what? I want to see what's that. What's EBITDA? What is that? It's an acronym. It's an acronym for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation. Okay, we learned that. There you go. That's why. Okay, so the company fully built out to 50 EHs and increased operating data center capacity by over threefold to 810 MW. More importantly, contracted grid connected power of 2,910 MW is set to scale even further. IREN is considered one of the world's largest and lowest cost producers, a thesis already evident in power scale and for the year 2025 economics. I think that's a good company. I'm going to have a look. Maybe I will put some money as well to invest, but I will explain when. So IREN cost dollar per MWH versus peers. Okay. So IREN has 33, Marathon Digital has 42, CleanSpark 46, and Riot Platforms really, really high, 78. So they were in line. It is the lowest. Wow, okay. So that's a little bit about what IREN is, what they do, and a few news that they sound really, really bullish. Let's jump now into our technical chart. So from what you can see here, I have placed my support levels and I've done my bullish pattern that it shows me that it is bullish. Let me make it a little bit smaller. That there we go. So as you can see, I took the highest on 3rd of July up until the highest on 25th of August, and it showed me the breakout, right? So this is a massive gap that we should feel, right, at some point, but not soon. So as we can see, we broke above the resistances, then we came down and kind of retested the $25. But then we went further up. That was Tuesday, and we broke the resistance at $27.99 and the resistance at $30.15. As soon as we broke it next day, we formed this really, really strong bullish candle, and it tested the resistance at $33.68, but it came down the next day, which is Thursday, 11th of September. Now for that we had the PPI and the core PPI, if you remember, and the market reacted, but then they weren't so excited about it because it was about the producers. but we wanted to see the CPI, which was on Friday, and it was about the consumers. I'm going to bring that video on our next video, so you won't miss it. So you won't miss it. You can turn on. Oh, 1 second. I messed it up here. Right. Apologies. Apologies about that. Wrong buttons, guys. So if you want to not miss further videos, please do consider yourself to subscribe and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell down below from the video, and that way you are going to be updated with the videos that they are going to be online when they are coming and when I'm going to be live. Now if you want to thumb up, right, thumbs up, that will massively help the channel because more people can be engaged and we can have more requests. So, as I was saying, we broke the resistance on Friday, which we had the CPI, right? I'm going to, I don't want to say that now. I'm going to bring it on another video, on the next video actually. So we broke the resistance at $33.68 and we closed for the day at $33.96, which was 3.38% up for the day. Now, what I'm expecting, this is an interesting stock, to be honest. If it continues to be bullish, then I'm expecting to have the target at $40.08. But first, we have to break above the resistance at $36.06. If we do break above, I am anticipating possibly a little bit of a bearish candle, maybe a retest at 33.68 and then go towards the $40, which is the target. Now we have the rate cuts possibly on the 17th. All facts are showing that we are going to have rate cuts, but I don't think the rate cuts are going to be as aggressive as we thought. Due to many factors. So that is my opinion about IREN. I hope, Jerry and Elba, you see this video, and I hope it covers as much as possible as you want. But yeah, this is my final message about the stock and the chart, that if we do break above the $36.06, then I'm anticipating the target $40.08. But there is a scenario of when we do retest the $36.06, then we could possibly come down to retest the support level at $33.68 and then bounce up. I know you asked me if it is a great time to buy. I would say it's kind of really high, but that's my opinion. I wouldn't buy at this price because even if it goes up, it's going to be only like $7, almost $6.5. So that will give you a 17.94% profits. But it's not bad, right? If you want to make profit, that's not bad if it goes to the $40. But I wouldn't buy. I would wait after the 17th of September. We might see the market react, so people can get their profits and go out. But I don't think I'm expecting the market to continue being bullish. This is due to the inflation, this is because of the economy, and this is about the debts and everything. So the option is up to you, honestly, what you want to do. I don't want to say something and choose wrong for you, but yeah, you asked me about my opinion. I wouldn't buy, and my plan is when the market goes up, I'm gonna take as much profit as I can and then put it into silver, because I think silver is going to do 2 times the price that is currently, and even a 4 and a 5 times 4x and a 5x due to the economies and stuff. So people want to actually get into a safer commodities or stocks or anything like that. But silver is commodity. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you on our next video, which is about the core CPI and the CPI, which was released on Friday, but due to I wasn't feeling well, I had to not be on my computer and not make any video. But I'm going to bring that up on our next video. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I hope you're well, and I'll see you on our next video. I'm gonna say it again. Take care, guys. Have a nice day, and bye bye.